Hey fam, welcome back to Learning Unlocked. If you haven't already, please subscribe and join the family. Be sure to like and comment on this video. Today we're going to be making this little game that I like to call Hungry Henry. So kids get rewards if they get whatever is on the bone correct by feeding the pup. All you would need is 3 sheets of Bristol board, a pencil, a scissor, and of course some color pencils, crayons, markers, anything. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to take our first sheet, and what we're going to do, we're going to turn it horizontally and we're going to draw a stencil for our bone. So this activity can be used for words, numbers, addition, subtraction, multiplication. Whatever you choose to put on the bone works. How the game will work is you would write whatever you want on the bone, and you and your kid sorry, you and your kid will take turns. So if it's their turn and they get the word right, they get to feed the puppy. If they get it wrong, they get a subtle correction and they miss a turn. So now that we're finished drawing our stencil, we're just going to cut this out really quickly. Let me guys just tell you, so I'm recording this voiceover one day later and my daughter literally slept with this puppy. I am not kidding. So we're just gonna take the stencil and, you know, the usual, draw as many bones as we can fit on this sheet of paper, and we're also gonna repeat. So I'm just going to take my color pencil here and I'm going to demonstrate to you how I would write the words on the bone. So this first one is going to be a sight word, commonly, frequently used word, girl. Then you can write a sum like so. Here you write your sign in the middle and then your number on either end of the bone. You can also use it for one-to-one coordination, so use dots to do the same addition or subtraction, same concept, sign in the middle, counters on the end. But today I'm just gonna go with some words, just random words that I feel like my daughter should know because they're in instructions or in books that we read often. So those are the words that I'm gonna go in with today. Look at her in the corner. Look at her little feet. Here she comes. Here she comes with all her flashcards. Guys, I definitely think that I should show you guys this little CBC flashcard that she has at the side there. She cannot leave them alone. So we're just gonna cut this out now. Let me guys know though if you want those CVC words. So we're cutting this out again, guys. You know my mantra, but I'm still gonna say it again. It does not have to be perfect to be effective. Say it with me. It does not have to be perfect to be effective. Do not be tempted to start over. Even if you make a mistake, all bones are not identical anyway. So let's draw Mr. Hungry Henry, the star of the show today. So just gonna draw outlines, some cute puppy ears, his color. Oh, just realized that you guys can't see, but I draw 2 little cute feet as well. I'm just giving him like a little birthmark just for some extra color. You see how I'm drawing his mouth nice and big? After I was finished, I was like, you know, I could have added a tongue. So I made sure to add a tongue on the printable version for you guys. So, time to add some color, man. So you know the drill. Make it as realistic as possible. Okay, I'm just using different shades of brown just to add some dimension, you know, make Henry come to life. I'm just going back a little darker for the air. Okay, let's cut Henry out. Alright, so hang in there, buddies. We're almost done. Just 2 more steps after this, and well, technically one is totally optional, totally up to you. But I figured you can make this a little bit more sturdy or more or less standalone by adding, like, attaching it to a piece of cardboard or the top of a shoebox. And you know, when you cut that mouth open, you go straight through the box so the bones fall into the box and it could stand on its own. Also, you could probably do like a punch in the head and hang it up, like hang it on a hook. So you just push the bones through and they'll fall into something or onto the floor. So I'm just going back all around the border that I cut just to darken it a little bit to make it just a little bit more crisp. And there she goes. She was so excited to feed this puppy. So here we have a close-up of it. I'm just holding it because I could not find a sizable box to attach it to, but I'll definitely do that later because she's in love with it. I didn't stick it to the box yet because I was trying to measure it and she would not give me a second, guys.
Mommy, the puppy's hungry.
Be sure to check out the printable version of this on my blog / website. And you know the drill. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, leave a thumbs up, comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.